Here comes James. Come on, buddy. Come on. Oh.
I'm gonna try Thomas again.
Come on, Thomas. Here goes Percy. Izzy's toy time. Wow, what do you guys think? Hey, our friend J-Dog's here again. Look. Oh my gosh, we got a fast lane track. Turn it on. And then we have our ultimate garage. Oh, okay, Bubba's giving it a shot. Ah! There it goes. Okay, J-Dog, get one in. Here we go. One. Whoa. Oh, no. No. Oh. Let's check out our little ocean scene over here. Mean Lego man. We have some fish, some eels, some penguins, some other cars. Oh, and we have the pirate. Pick your cars, pick your cars.
I got mine.
Show me, show me. All right, let's take them in.
Okay.
Turn it on. Oh! Ah! Ah! Oh! I got bets. I got bets.
What are you doing here, dog?
Hey, what'd you do that for? Ah! I got bets on the blue guy.
I got bets on the Santa dude.
Go, guys, go! Which one do you pick? Which one do you pick? Hey, you can take the blue one. Ready, set, go! Woo! Who's gonna win? Ah! J-Dog won!
I am still going. How long is it go?
Go, baby, go! All right, here's the second one. Oh, Percy's gonna test out the truck. Wait, can Percy make it?
I wonder if he can.
Oh. Oh, Percy. Oh! Percy couldn't make it.
Wipeout.
Percy.
Hey, he's making it.
Come on, come on.
Oh! He's gonna make it. He's gonna make it. He's gonna make it.
And Zed wants a ride.
He's going. Oh, can he make it
The
up?
Hot Wheels track.
Hey, he made
And
it. Bye-bye, Percy. Bye. Blue car. Mommy's gonna take the red car. Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready. Turn it on. Ready, set, go. Oh! Did I win? Oh no! White car. Percy! Yeah, got it. White car made it. Take it. Oh.
thanks for starting me back up again.
Woo! Where's Percy going? There it is.
Yeah, start me back up.
Hey! There goes James.
Percy.
There goes Percy. Can you guys make it? Can you make it?
Lego Man wants to try out.
Oh, James made it.
Percy did not.
But James, come on, James. James.
Come on, James, almost there.
Come on.
You can do it.
Yes.
I'll help you out. I'll have to help you.
Yeah. He made it. Oh. Here comes Diesel. Oh my gosh, is Diesel gonna make it? It's Diesel. Oh,
Thomas.
Diesel. Okay, let's see if Thomas can make it. Oh, Thomas.
Slow-mo.
Take it easy, buddy. Oh!
Wipeout. Oh, Percy.
Come on, Percy. Oh! Oh, he made it.
Exactly. Looking good.
Looking good.
Go in.
It's going.
Help
Okay,
out.
let's see if he can make it. Can he? Oh. There they go. Making it through. Woo! Whoa, look at it go. Let's see Percy. Wow.
I'm going down. We're going to a parking lot.
Okay, go to the parking garage.
I'm here.
You're here. Nice. Let's park them in.
Over here, number 6.
Perfect. Whoa.
And it worked.
Whoa. Ah. Ah. right, let's see. Oh, I'm gonna put Thomas this way. Here it goes. Here they go. Ah! Here he comes. Here he comes. He wants to go in the garage. Here comes James. Hi, James. Oh, there goes James. Oh, James wants to go check out the big track. Let's see if they can go up. We haven't tried up yet.
Let's try that.
Oh.
James is...
Oh, he's going. Oh, no. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy.
James.
Come on.
Let's try to get up and push it go up.
Yeah. Oh, no.
They want to get to that garage. Oh,
Guys.
look at that.
Diesel's going. Oh, no. We have a broken track. Ow. Diesel's going. Oh, what happened to Justin Bieber and Cool Hair Dude? They're going to the train station, too.
And...
Say hi to the pirates.
There's...
Hey, pirates.
Whoa. Here they come. They're making it. They're all going to the train station. Oh, no. Come on. Come on. Oh, no. Oh, no. What happened to everything? Oh. Well, guys, it's been a ton of fun. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks for playing, J-Dog. Bye.